Hey guys, nice to meet you. Welcome to Luna and Rumi's class. Today, we are going to learn about school things. Are you ready for the lesson? Now let's begin.
Hey, hey, hey! Welcome everyone! This is our new school. Come on in. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Part 1. School! School! This is our school. Big, big school! Na 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 na. Classroom! Classroom! This is your classroom. My classroom is blue. Na 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 na. Teacher! Teacher! Who's that woman? She's your teacher. Na 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 na. Happy, happy school. Na 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 na. Happy, happy school. Na 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 na. Hey, hey, hey! Part 2. Bag, 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 bags, bags and bags. Na 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 na. Pencil, 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 pencils, crayons too. Na 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 na. Book, 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 books, buses go vroom. Na 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 na. Happy, happy school. Na 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 na. Happy, happy school. Na 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 na. Hey, hey, hey! Part 3. Board, board, table, chair, bookcase, cupboard. Na 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 na. Where's my pencil? Where's my pencil? Is it in the box? No, no, no. Is it on the bag? No, no, no. Is it under the chair? Look, look, look. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Where's my crayon? Where's my crayon? Is it on the bookcase? Yes, yes, yes. Na 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 na. Final big chord. Happy, happy school. Na 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 na. Happy, happy school. Na 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 na. Happy, happy school. Na 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 na. Classroom, playground, teacher, yay! Hey, hey, yay, 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 yay! Happy, happy school. Na 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 na. Pencils, books, and friends all day. Hey, hey, hey! Yay, yay, yay! Egg, yay! Thank you for the school. See you in the classroom soon.
It is Rumi's teaching time.
Hello, boys and girls. Let's teach each other. How are you today? You look great. I'm happy too because we'll learn fun words today. Okay, let's warm up with crayons. Everyone, pick up your crayons. Don't make noise. Red, quick. Find the red one. Hold it up high. Very good. Yellow. Who has yellow? Let me see your hand. Blue. Green. Wow. You all found the right colors. You're so fast. Today we are going to learn words about our school. Now take out your pupils book. Turn it to page 18. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Open it wide. Let's look at the big picture together. Okay. Let's look at this big picture. Okay. Where is the bag? Where is the bag? Yes, that's the bag. Point it with your finger, please. My finger. I mean there. Okay, I can't point. Okay, so it's here in the girl's hand. This girl is called Anna, right? Anna. She is called Anna, and the red bag is in her hand. Oops. This is my bag. That's your bag. Everybody say, my bag. What's this place? Okay, this is the classroom. We are sitting in the classroom. Now, right? So, when we talk about this room, we say classroom. Repeat after me. Classroom, classroom. Who can say classroom? You try. Perfect. Look. Look what I have. It's a pencil. Pencil. You all have pencils in your pencil cases, right? Take it out. Hold it up high. Oops, hold it up high. And say, pencil! Be careful, don't poke your eye. Let's keep going. I have a pencil. You have a pencil too. Together, let's say, I have a pencil! Now look at page 18's big picture. Open. Here is the playground. Okay, so the playground is where the kids are standing. Is the playground. We play football, run, and jump here after class, right? So this place is playground. Say it with me. Playground. Playground. Let's make it fun. When I say playground, you jump high. Ready? Playground. Wow, you jumped so high. One more time. Playground. Very good. Look at me. I'm your teacher, Rumi. Now say teacher to me. Let's read it. Hello, teacher. Louder. Hello, teacher. Wonderful. Your voices are so clear. Now let's listen to an audio. When you hear a word, point it to the thing in page 18's picture as fast as you can.
One. Listen.
Look, Matt. This is our new school. This is the playground. This is your classroom.
Oh, my classroom's blue. Who's that woman?
She's your teacher.
Oh, my teacher.
Here you are, Matt. Here's your bag. Your bag's red. And here's your new pencil.
Okay. Let's say back together. Now let's turn these words into a song. First, listen it all.
Oh, a yellow pencil. Yellow's my favorite color. Look, Anna, Jim and Jenny.
Yes, our new friends.
Hi, Jim. Hi, Jenny.
Hi, Matt. Hi, Anna.
Okay. Song, song. Now let's turn these words into a song. Oh no, it's right here.
Classroom.
Classroom,
Pencil.
pencil,
Playground.
playground,
Teacher.
teacher,
Bag.
bag,
Classroom.
classroom,
Pencil.
pencil,
Playground.
playground,
Teacher.
teacher,
Bag.
bag. Okay. Time for the touch game. Test if you are ready. Remember, listen carefully to my command. Don't move until I finish. Wait a moment. Touch your bag. Touch your bag. I touch it. Oh, time for the touch game. Test if you're ready. Remember, listen carefully to my command. Don't move until I finish. Touch your bag. Good. Your bag is on. Your bag is on your shelf. Touch the classroom door. This is the classroom door. Oh, where do I touch it? Ooh, How do I touch it? Oh, I know. A hand. Classroom door. Now I touch the classroom door. This is a weird hand. Touch your pencil. You all did a perfect job. You know every word on page 18. Give yourself a big hand. Okay.
1. Listen. Who says it, Matt or Jim? Listen again and draw lines.
Okay. Okay, draw lines.
Okay, Matt. It's your turn. What are they?
Are they birds?
Birds? No. No. Now it's your turn, Jim.
Are they buses?
No. They're school things.
Oh. Okay. Are they crayons?
Yes, they are. They're crayons. Well done, Matt. Now it's your turn, Jim. What are they?
Ooh, are they bags?
No.
Are they books?
No.
Are they pencils?
Yes, they're pencils. Well done, Jim.
Hello, I'm Cameron. What's your name?
Rumi.
I'm 1. How old are you?
I'm 7.
What's your favourite colour?
Purple. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Kids, if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.